okay, I'm just a little bit stressed.
Like seriously, Dad? Stress about what? Am I stressing you?
No, babe.
Where are all of this coming from now?
Tasha, why are you taking things out of proportion? Just calm down and listen to me.
Calm down and listen what, Dad? Listen what? What must I listen to?
Tasha, I know that things rough my way now. But it's gonna get better. Not listening to me, Tasha. I'm really trying. I'm really trying to get a better job. Tasha, just hold up with me. Just see it. I'm really trying. Yeah, man, you tell me so I can come link you, man, and see I can make a transaction and can get in and work, you know? You know how me? Me if me know how you. You don't know a great Asabang, brother.
You see, right now, I tell you the truth, I understand the situation I go through. Many youth I go through it, but I want thing I sit here now. If you see I can't mind you have to come on your head right now.
This boy's police follow with this, we are going to tell them, sir.
That's my father, man.
Your life, this now.
I understand, fam. I feel it, man.
Ben, you eat already?
Eat what, Taj? Think mackerel and rice. Every day I think mackerel and rice. You're comfortable feeding with dog food, Taj? Oh yes, Auntie.
Mustn't get the work finished.
Bossy, boy are going good, you know. Yeah, man, the boy are going good. What you mean, bossy? Me know when him eat, sleep, and drink. Program have to run. Can't have a man that like that there run when you know him background.
I just be a storm over my head, brother, my youth. You know, some put on your package, my youth. And they come like, say, them slap it. Them watch me, no, brother, I work, you know. Where me there, my friend. They come like, man, them take with the thing, bro, God. Me, I tell them, right now, I'm stressed out, Virgin. Right now, I'm not even know how I feel, my friend.
That you say. Brother, I'm not even there on the chat things with you, know. That me actually remember me tell you, say. I'm a done chat.
No, that's easy, no, brother. Just hear me out, no, brother. Just hear me out, no, brother. Watch on,
No,
man.
brother.
Just hear me out, no.
No family in this, no. You have 24 hours, yeah?
Asadan.
What me have to do now, father? What me have to do now, sir?